The signal was still not. The signal was still not green. So he waited and waited until the signal was green and he could go. Something like a night train or something. And he cut off proudly. 2, 3, 4. And then he saw that his train could be too heavy. So he was puffing and chuffing until he came to the station. And he was waited to be coupled on. He was waiting and waiting and waiting. That was a little not good for Henry, because Henry had to wait for a long time. So, okay. That was just Henry burping. He always burps. Okay, and